In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can save up to 80% off the costs involved in your business computer network using virtualization, open source software, and Linux. Let's imagine you're a manager at Widgets Inc., a service provider with 30 employees to illustrate our example. You're evaluating options for your impending network upgrade. This is what a typical small or medium business network looks like. There are several Windows-based servers, each with a specific purpose. Most of them are barely used and sit idle, wasting electricity and expensive hardware. Virtualization is a new technology that means several different servers can run on one physical computer box. That means that we can get rid of all these different computers and just have one. These other servers are not physical, they are virtual, hence virtualization. In this example, that's a savings of about 80% on hardware and electricity. But obviously hardware and electricity aren't the only costs. There are also operating system and software licenses, and technicians' fees. In terms of the operating system, until recently, Linux operating system-based servers have been expensive to set up due to their complexity and high demand. Now, there are Linux servers which come pre-configured for a specific purpose, which makes them easy to set up, which means you get to pay a lot less than what you would expect. A single license for Windows Server 2008 is $770. In our example, that would mean you would pay over $5,000 just for server licenses. If you were using Linux instead, you would pay absolutely nothing. And you would get a better product. If you'd like to learn more about how that works, visit www.linux-vancouver.com/Linux. So, now that you've paid your $5,000 plus for your Windows Server licenses, you need software installed and configured. Software licenses for Microsoft programs are also expensive. For example, Exchange Email Server starts at $700. Microsoft SQL Database Server starts at $3,000. And Microsoft Dynamics Enterprise Resource Planning starts at over $2,000 per user. We'll assume Widgets Inc. has only 10 users, at a cost of $20,000. Using the Linux equivalent software is, you guessed it, completely free and open source. So, instead of nearly $30,000 in software licenses, it's completely free. Now that you've acquired your software, someone will need to install it. Setup for a Windows server can range from 15 to about 60 hours of a technician's time per server. For our example, we'll assume they're pretty good, and they average 20 hours each for a total of 140 hours setup time. Since Linux virtual servers come pre-packaged and purpose-built, they set up in minutes. We'll say they take 1 hour each to install and fully configure for a total setup time of 8 hours. That puts us at 140 hours for Microsoft and 8 hours for Linux. Somehow, I know which one Widgets Inc. will choose. You may wonder, if these solutions are so great, why have I never heard of them before? The answer may lie in Microsoft's multi-billion-dollar marketing budget. Just to clear up a frequently asked question, Linux servers are compatible with Apple, Linux, and Windows workstations. In fact, in environments that run different versions of Windows, such as XP and Windows 7, Linux servers are often more compatible than Windows servers. Check out linuxvancouver.com for information on how you can use this technology to simplify your network and save money. If you're in British Columbia, you can request a free consultation to see what Linux and turnkey computing can offer your organization. If you want to see how this technology works for a small office or home office of 1 to 5 workstations, check out linuxvancouver.com/Soho. Thanks for watching.